To get ready, prepararse. Prepararse. Me voy a la fiesta. Me estoy preparando. Yo me preparo. To have fun, divertirse. Divertirse. Are you having fun? ¿Te estás divirtiendo? Sí, me estoy divirtiendo. Tú te diviertes. To leave, irse. Irse. Yo me voy. Tú te vas. Ir is to go, but when it's reflexive, it means I'm leaving. Yo voy, I am going. Yo me voy, I am leaving. Nosotros nos vamos, and so on. Yes, it's irregular. To remember. To remember. Acordarse. Acordarse. ¿Te acuerdas de lo que me dijiste? Do you remember what you told me? Te acuerdas. He remembers. Él se acuerda. To wash oneself. To wash yourself. Lavarse. Lavarse. If you're doing the laundry, it's lavar. If you're cleaning yourself, it's lavarse. Tengo la cara sucia, me voy a lavar. I have a dirty face, I'm going to clean up, wash myself. Lavar. Ellos se lavan. To put on, such as clothing, a hat, or, well, to put something on yourself, ¿ah? Ponerse. Otra pizza, ponerse. Ponerse. I am naked, I'm going to put on some clothes. Estoy desnudo, me voy a poner algo de ropa. Voy a ponerme la ropa. To find oneself. Encontrarse. It's not as much as if you have been taking the wrong train. It's more like, how are you feeling? Encontrarse. Ya está aquí el tren, Dios. So, to find is encontrar. He encontrado 1.000.000 de euros. But encontrarse, like I said, is more about yourself. Me encuentro bien. I'm feeling good. Because I found 1.000.000 euros. Me encuentro bien. Tú te encuentras bien. Ella se encuentra bien. Nosotros nos encontramos bien. Vosotros os encontráis bien. Y ellos o ellas se encuentran bien. Venga. To imagine. To imagine, imaginarse. Imaginarse. My girlfriend is very hot. I can imagine. Mi novia está muy buena. Me lo puedo imaginar. Me lo imagino. To go to bed. Acostarse. Acostarse. I'm sleepy. I'm going to bed. Estoy cansado. Tengo sueño. Voy a acostarme. Nos vamos a acostar. So, to feel is sentirse. It's like encontrarse, but it's more exclusive to feelings. Whereas encontrarse can also be used for a location. Me encuentro en Los Ángeles y me siento muy bien. Careful there, boys, because sentirse is not the same as sentarse. Sentirse is to feel. Sentarse is to sit down. Me siento mal, voy a sentarme. Ajá. Continuamos con el próximo verbito y ese será to wake up. To wake up. Despertarse. Despertarse. I have a job tomorrow. I need to wake up at 8 a.m. Tengo un trabajo mañana. Tengo que despertarme a las 8 de la mañana. Despertarse. Imperative, despiértate. Despiértate, hombre. ¿Eh? To get dressed, vestirse. So yes, there are other verbs to say you're putting on clothes, but vestirse is the most exclusive one, okay? Vestirse. I'm out of the shower, I'm going to get dressed. He salido de la ducha, me voy a vestir. Voy a vestirme. To give oneself, darse. Darse. Me he dado un golpe. I just hit myself. Me he dado un golpe. To take a bath, bañarse. Or to go swimming, it's also bañarse. Well, getting wet on the beach. I'm going to take a bath. Me voy a bañar. Voy a bañarme porque de vez en cuando hay que bañarse. ¡Ole tú! To comb yourself, your hair. Peinarse. Peinarse. Tras la ducha, yo me peino. Me peino el pelo porque tengo que peinarme con el peine. To take off clothing, for example, quitarse. Quitarse. Esto va muy mal hoy. Quitarse. Quitarse. It's very hot. I'm going to take off my jacket. Hace mucho calor. Voy a quitarme el abrigo. Me lo voy a quitar. To sit down, to sit, sentarse. Sentarse. Estoy cansado, me voy a sentar. Voy a sentarme. Caballero, bienvenido al despacho. Por favor, siéntese. That's the imperative. A sentarse todos. To worry. Preocuparse. Preocuparse. I don't know what to do. I am worried. No sé qué hacer. Me estoy preocupando. Don't worry, man. No te preocupes. To get into. Meterse. Meterse. Paco is getting himself into trouble. Paco se está metiendo en líos. Paco, por favor, no te metas en líos. To dedicate, dedicarse. Dedicarse. It's more used in a professional way. It's not as you would be dedicated to be painting all day long, but you can use it. But you would say, what is your profession? ¿A qué te dedicas? Ah, dedicarse. Yo me dedico a la Fórmula 1. It's not true. I'm not a Formula 1 driver. I'm an astronaut, as everybody knows by now. So a few more before I jet to the moon. Where were we? Sí. To come together. To come together. Reunirse. Reunirse. We need to come together. Necesitamos reunirnos. We are coming together. Together. ¿Qué pasa, Antonio? Nos vamos a reunir. Porque hay que reunirse. To love each other. You know, like, love is in the air. In the morning, in the night. Amarse. Amarse. They love each other. Ellos se aman. Carolina and I love each other. Carolina y yo nos amamos. Amarse. The opposite, to fight with each other. Pelearse. Pelearse. The dogs are fighting each other. Los perros se están peleando. Do not fight each other. no os peleéis. ¿Vale? And then to know each other. Conocerse. Conocerse. This is my friend. We know each other. Este es mi amigo. Nosotros nos conocemos. Conocerse. Those guys know each other, right? Estos tíos se conocen, ¿verdad? To fall. Caerse. Caerse. Be careful, Johnny. You're going to fall. Cuidado, Johnny. Te vas a caer. Do not fall, Johnny. No te caigas, Johnny. Cuidado, o te caes. Be careful, be careful, or you will fall. Pepe and Manuela are getting divorced. Pepe y Manuela se van a divorciar. I just got divorced. Yo me acabo de divorciar. Ole. Hey bro, you know what they say? Happy wife, happy life. No wife, my life. I'm just kidding, amigas. I'm waiting for Emma Watson to call me. And then we will get, casados and live happy. So Emma, llámame. And then the last one for today, to forget. Olvidarse. You should not forget. Tú no deberías olvidarte. You can forget about something, olvidar, but when it's specifically about the person that should not forget something, it is reflexive. Ya está. So for example, just for an example, do not forget to leave a like. No te olvides de dejar un like. Y de suscribirte tampoco, ¿eh? And you shouldn't... Bueno, ya está, que este día va un poco raro. Chavales, muchas gracias por ver y oír este vídeo. Os deseo un muy buen día. Hasta luego y que vaya todo muy bien. Adiós.